Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Sanawala, and in this video I will tell you two websites from where you can download a lot of stock of videos for your video or vlogging type videos from these websites. So let's get started. First website is Paxabi.com. Just go to this website, enter your keywords. I am entering any keyword like movie. So here you will get all these type of video stock. Just click on the video you want to download it. As you can see, free for commercial use, no attribution required. MP4 media type, MP4 resolution, duration, uploaded date, views. These are all the information you can get from here. So just click on this, and it's animated animated video. You can use it for your YouTube videos. If you are a documentary maker, then it's really mean to download it. Just click on the free downloaded option, choose the Paxils to download. It will be downloaded in a couple of seconds. Just click on the video you downloaded. It will be in the 5 to 10 seconds duration. It won't be a long type video. So if you are a content maker, then it's really mean to you. I just opened this video and you can see the resolution is tremendous. Just click and exit. Here is the second website, Paxils.com. Just enter the paxil.com/videos. You will get all the links in the video description, so don't be worried about the website link. Click any keyword related to your niche. So I'm just typing RAN. Just click on any video you want to download it. So here I just click on the RAN type video. Just click on the drop down menu, full HD or HD. So I'm just downloading the HD format and click on the free download option. It will take a couple of seconds to download these videos. If you want to donate or just visit to the creators' social media accounts, then you can go to the Instagram or donate via PayPal. Just click on the video you have downloaded. So as you can see, the resolution is perfect for the YouTube videos. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.